A leader is someone who has a strong vision and leads a group of people or a team towards that common goal through inspiration and motivation. Knowing what motivates you as a leader, as well as where your strengths and your weaknesses are within your leadership skills so that you can continue to learn and improve these skills, will ultimately help you become the successful leader you aspire to be. There are many skills that you should be aware of so that you can portray these leadership skills in not only your business, but your personal life as well. In today's podcast episode, I walk you through the leadership skills that the most successful leaders have mastered so that they can lead their business, team, and employees to reach their overall vision as well as each individual goal while maintaining a happy and healthy relationship. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you can always look for ways to keep learning, improving yourself, and increasing your personal development by embracing these leadership skills. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support, with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post a link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Whenever you lead a business, a team, or a group of employees, you need to have a clear vision of where you want to go, as well as each of the individual goals that you need to reach to be successful. Successful leaders know their leadership style, as well as their strengths and their weaknesses, so that they know where they can focus their future growth. Most leaders will learn and develop their skills over time, but by mastering the skills you may be lacking now, you'll also become a successful leader. These skills are critical for you to acquire. You may need to step out of your comfort zone, challenge yourself, or take on additional tasks so that you can improve these skills. But I want you to know why you want to be a leader in the first place. Do you genuinely enjoy leading others? Do you want to make a difference in the world? Or do you want to make an impact? Take some time and think about what motivates you as a leader. Communication skills are a must and one of the essential skills that you need to have to be a successful leader. Whether in person or writing, you need to create good listening skills and have the ability to give and receive feedback from others whenever necessary. You'll also want to pay attention to not only your body language, but your team's body language as well, so that you can fully understand what others are saying. You'll build trust with your team by providing an atmosphere in your business for honest and open communication. An effective leader will connect with others to create good relationships. An open-door policy can be the perfect solutions for these types of situations. Be aware of what people want and always inquire and ask questions if you're unsure. Being a leader in your business means that you're responsible for getting results, and a growth mindset is essential. Have a vision of the bigger picture as well as the strategy needed to execute the processes required to reach your goals. Be proactive and anticipate what will happen. Be open to new ideas and ready for any situation that arises in your business. You'll also want to be able to think critically so that you can foresee potential problems. By using critical thinking, you'll help develop ways to prevent problem situations from occurring. Avoid procrastination by tackling issues head-on and work towards making decisions quickly. Find ways that you can make good, quality decisions in any circumstance. I want you to remain purpose-driven even in the most stressful situations. Be resilient. There will always be issues that come up, but by remaining flexible and resilient, you'll be able to pivot and continue to bring your team and employees along a new course of action to achieve your desired results. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, but make sure that you learn from each mistake that's made. Be genuine and show your team that you are human and you're always ready to improve in the next situation. By sharing your obstacles with your team and how you'll overcome them, you'll show them that you are humble as well. Having the ability to delegate whenever possible will give your team a chance to feel empowered and will allow you more time to enhance your leadership skills and work towards your own goals. You'll still want to oversee and ensure that your team is following through on their projects or their tasks by meeting deadlines and quality standards, but be careful not to micromanage. When you take the time to teach others, you'll help them grow rather than just giving them orders. A good leader will be able to motivate and energize others on the team and will produce a happier team. Create a positive work environment for your team and make sure that each team member or employee has their own goals that tie into the overall business goals, and make sure you give them feedback about how they're doing. Challenge others to think and learn new things so that they can continue to grow. Never stop teaching others and ensure that everyone on your team has what they need to help them succeed. Always measure performance and recognize any wins or achievements that your team reaches. Be a positive influencer to others and help support them whenever it's needed. Have an understanding of your business finances. Know how to read your balance sheet and your income statement and what it tells you about your business. Sharpen your ability to forecast or predict your future sales, cash flow, and profits for your business. An overall awareness of how your business is doing financially will definitely benefit your ability to lead your business. If you struggle in this area, know when to ask for help. This is one of the areas that I help my clients with. Accountants and bookkeepers can help you get a grasp on your finances so that you can reach your goals. Hone in on your own self-awareness. Know your emotional intelligence by being able to recognize, manage, and regulate your own emotions as well as others. Be confident and know that you're the best person to lead your business. Always look for ways to keep learning, improving yourself, and increasing your personal development as a leader. Challenge yourself to improve by taking the initiative and assessing how you're doing on a routine basis. Think about what's working and where you could improve your skills. Increasing your leadership skills will impact the success of your business, your team, and yourself. Build your professional development with workshops or webinars. Network with others to stay up to date on what's happening in others in similar roles. You can also volunteer to take on additional responsibilities to grow in areas outside of your expertise. Your leadership skills benefit and carry you through both your personal and your professional lives. By boosting your leadership skills, you'll grow as an individual and use these skills to inspire others both personally and professionally. Believing in yourself, your leadership skills, and accomplishing your goals in both your business and your personal life is possible. If you feel like you're struggling in this area of your business or your personal life, I'm inviting you to schedule a free consultation session with me. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I'm here to help you and your business succeed. I want to make sure that you have someone that you can talk to whenever you have questions about your business, help you make decisions when you feel overwhelmed, and hold you accountable so that you follow through with your plans. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your session. During this consultation, we'll spend up to 1 hour together going over where you currently are in your business, where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future, and take action to get you started on the path to success. I've been helping business owners and bookkeepers achieve their goals for over 25 years, and it's the best feeling when I see the joy it brings my clients when they follow through with their aspirations. I'm looking forward to meeting you in a consultation session soon. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.